This review runs about MIDI keyboard Korg microkey 37. Its size and weight about 1 kilo and it produces 3 octaves. The keyboard is dynamic and has 37 unweighted keys. The keys are pressed easily, so if you have been playing the piano for a long time, you will have to get used to it. The question is, what about the small size of the keys? Will it be comfortable to play? You shouldn't worry about it, because the width of the keys is 2 centimeters, which is only 5 millimeters less than on classical piano. The room between black keys is just enough for fingers. The assembly work of the device is also quite worthy, quite on the level. The keys are not loose, as distinct from many other budget MIDI keyboards. And one more feature is that the keys are manufactured using natural touch technology. Let's look through the options and control board. There are few of them, only the most necessary ones. And all of them are placed to your left, as you can see. There are 2 wheels, pitch, bend and modulation. They can be redirected to software for multi-purpose usage. And the buttons for switching octaves with colored indication. It is possible to shift up to 4 octaves in any direction, which is more than enough. USB port is placed to your left for the keyboard to be connected with the computer. And 2 ports hub for connecting with Korg Nano control for additional options, and Korg Nano port for drumming. The device can be embedded into any computer on Windows or MacOS and doesn't need any drivers. It also works on Android, but with a delay of a signal which is about a second, which makes it impossible to work with. In conclusion, taking into account its size, it is good for composing while being on the road, or as an additional secondary keyboard in the gig.